Let's see how to change units in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, let's go ahead to the layout section so that we can see what kind of units we're currently using. And let's go ahead and click on this one, for example, margins. And these two apostrophes indicate inches. And that means that currently this document is using inches as the unit of measurement. Now let's say that we want to change that into centimeters. And what we can do is first click on the File tab. And from here, click on Options. Now click on Advanced. And from here, simply scroll down. And under Display, you should be able to find Show Measurements in Units of. And currently we have that set to inches. And let's change it to centimeters. When we click OK. And as you can see, whenever you click on any part of the document that requires units of measurement, you'll see that from inches, it is now centimeters. And that is how you can change units in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.